Myself to you. My name is Mrs. 𝐈𝐧𝐭𝐤 and I am from Srinagar, Garhwal. It's a small town in the Valley of Hills of Uttarakhand. If we talk about
Yes, ma'am.
educational qualifications, I'm a graduate and a postgraduate in psychology. And right now I'm interviewing you as an IPT member, that's Interview Preparation and Training Team. And I
Yeah.
have been appointed for the position of a counselor and an HR. So I will be conducting today's interview. That's for the position of Byjus tutor, academic specialist for the position of maths.
Yes.
Okay,
Glad to know. Yes.
before we start, there are two things which I would bring to your notice. First, be really loyal with your answers. Second, try to
Yes.
attempt all the answers.
Sure.
Okay, please introduce yourself.
Hello. Good afternoon, ma'am. Thanks for giving me this opportunity. I'm Ms. Tayyaba Mehdi. I'm from Nainital, Uttarakhand. My hometown is Dehradun. I'm a teacher by profession in a reputed school of Nainital, 𝐁𝐨𝐵's school, and I'm working in my own coaching institute. I run my own coaching institute in Nainital, where I'm teaching all the subjects till class 9th and PCM for class 11th and 12th. My hobbies are like singing, dancing. I used to dance, and in my free time, I used to cook. So these are my hobbies. That's all.
Okay, great. Fine. So, what do you know about Byjus? In which year Byjus was established?
In 2011, ma'am.
Okay, and who is the founder and co-founder of Byjus?
Byju's Ravindrana, like, yeah, Byju's Ravindran.
And the
There are,
co-founder?
uh, his wife, Divya Gokulnath.
Okay, and what do you know about Byjus company? Some of the features of Byjus.
Byju's is a learning, online learning app or teaching app where, we can give students a good kind of teaching and all. Students can, they can watch their schedule, whatever they have, like online. It's an online teaching app. So sorry.
Got hesitated, right? Got a little
So so
nervous.
sorry. So
That's
sorry.
absolutely it happened. That's absolutely fine. No problem. Okay, fine. So you know what I'll do is I'll conduct your interview right now, and half an hour we have the feedback round. So I'll give you the feedback there
Okay.
and then. There are certain do and
Okay.
don'ts of the interview. So in the feedback round, I'll tell you everything. Do not worry about that.
Yes, ma'am.
And we
Okay.
also have a PDF. Vikas sir will be sharing the PDF with you after the interview is over. So you can go through the
Okay.
PDF where questions will be put up regarding Byju, so you can confirm them as well.
Okay,
Right?
ma'am. Sure. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Now tell me. Okay, can you provide me a demo session in any topic in mathematics for 7 to 8 minutes?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Okay,
Start.
so my topic is trigonometry. Trigonometry is a Greek word. It is divided into three parts: tri, gono, and metry. Tri means three, gono is sides or angles, and metry is measurement. So the definition of trigonometry is measuring all the three sides of a triangle. Whenever we talk about trigonometry, or whenever we are learning trigonometry, we should know about right angles. We have to draw a right angle. Right angle is like it has one perpendicular, one hypotenuse, and base. Hypotenuse is the longest side, base is the shortest, and perpendicular where 90-degree forms. So we require right angle triangle for trigonometry. More I have
Yeah,
to speak.
continue, continue.
Okay. So, there are so many ratios, trigonometric ratios, and sides ratios are also there, like hypotenuse, perpendicular, base. So, whenever we are talking about trigonometry, uh, ratios are there, like sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Sine is the reciprocal of cosec, cos is the reciprocal of sec, and cot is the reciprocal of tan. So sine is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cos is like p upon h. Then second cos is b upon h. Like these, we have to measure all the sides and trigonometric ratios.
Mm-hmm. Further, three
More
minutes,
I have to.
35. You still have 4 minutes to go.
Okay. So there is a short trick or short formula by which we can, find all the trigonometric ratios like P, B, like Pandit, Badri, Prasad, Har Bole. This is the short trick which we all give to our students. Like we can calculate all the sides and, ratios for trigonometry by using this formula P, B, Pandit, Badri, Prasad, Har Bole. It's P, B, P, H, B. Perpendicular, base, hypotenuse, and base. Like this, we can calculate all the trigonometric ratios.
Yeah, I will be asking you certain questions regarding mathematical topics. Fine.
Okay.
What is an exponent?
Exponent is, if we take 2 and its power is 3, so the exponent will be 2 and 3 will be its power. The base we can call it.
What is an algebraic expression?
Which we write in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. It can be called an algebraic expression.
An algebraic expression is the okay, fine. I was telling you the answer. What is the identity property of addition?
Addition. A plus b, this one.
It
Sorry,
states
I'm
that
little bit.
yeah, the sum of any number and zero is equal to the original number.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
What is the formula to calculate the percentage increase or decrease?
Uh, Sorry, I apologize for the question.
What is Pythagoras theorem?
It's hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square.
And what is mean in statistics?
Mean is the like when we have to calculate mean, we should know the like may I elaborate it? Like we
Simple.
have
Mean is add the number divided by the number.
yes
Added
total,
number.
yes ma'am.
Right?
Total number
You have to
divided
add
by
the numbers and divided by the total of the number.
by total of the numbers. Yes ma'am.
What is probability?
Probability means uncertainty or chances. Like if it will rain today or not, it can be called as probability. Chances or uncertainty.
I explain mathematical term.
Like probability is equals to number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. It is probability. Yes ma'am.
Now regarding Byjus, why do you want to work with Byjus?
Because it's a good platform where we can, I think I can grow my, career, and it's very good for my career opportunities. That's why I want to join Byjus. It's a leading app right now.
What are your strengths and your weaknesses?
My strength is like I have a good communication skill. I can interact with people easily. I have a good knowledge, and these are my strengths.
What is your biggest achievement so far?
I used to go for CBSE meets where I used to attend seminars, like these are my achievements.
Okay, and the reason why we should hire you?
Because I'm a teacher by profession, so I have that knowledge and I can, teach very well to the students. If I'll be selected, I'll give my 100% to the students.
And how do you deal with criticism?
It is like uh, some we have to be patient whenever this happened or whatever. Sometimes people used to criticize you, but we have to be patient that time. So this is what I used to do.
If you're not selected just by chance, what are your backup plans?
Um, I will work here only in my school where I'm teaching right now. I have my coaching institute. I'll work there, but I wanted to get selected in Byjus.
And can you tell me the role of academic specialist?
Yes, ma'am. The role of the academic specialist is to clarify all the doubts of the students and to provide them step by step, methods and easy methods to teach all the students.
Okay. Can you tell me difference between a tutor and a mentor?
Tutor is like when he or she gives, knowledge to the students for a limited period of time, and mentor is which which student follows it. He or she every time is mentor, and tutor is like who is giving knowledge to the student for a limited period of time.
What difference between
Not sure.
audio learning? Difference between audio learning and video learning?
Audio learning where we can learn by listening to the people, listening to the mentor or tutor, and video learning where we can interact with each other and we can, learn or give our knowledge to the other one.
According to you, which mode is beneficial?
Both the modes, I think video learning is more beneficial for the students and teachers
The reason?
because we can interact with each other, and sometimes audio learning is not that much beneficial because we cannot see their expressions, what they are feeling, how they are, they want us to teach. That's why I find video calling more preferable than
See,
voice calling.
video call you to get to know the confidence level, whether the student's hesitating
Yes,
or not,
ma'am.
how
Yes,
clear the consent is to the student,
their
right?
expressions. Yes, ma'am.
Tell me something about you or something which is not mentioned in your resume.
uh, my hobbies, I think that is not mentioned in my resume. Like I told you earlier, I'm a good dancer. I was a classical dancer at state level. I used to sing sometimes.
You
These
did
are
not
my,
mention this earlier. You did not mention this
yes,
earlier.
yes, ma'am. I haven't mentioned these things.
But you said, as I told you earlier.
I told you, I haven't mentioned in my resume.
You told me earlier, is it?
Yeah,
Okay, I might have
yes.
not listened. Yeah, start. Yeah. Again, repeat. Continue.
Uh, okay. My hobbies are like I like to dance. This is not mentioned in my resume. I was a good classical dancer at state level. I used to sing. These are my, hobbies.
Used to. You don't do it now. You're not
No,
continuing the
ma'am.
legacy. Why?
No, ma'am. I don't know. It just broke down. That's why.
Oh, might be. Yeah,
Yeah.
might happen. Anyways, okay. I'll give you three options. You have to arrange them according to your preference. Career
Yes, ma'am.
growth, work-life balance, and money.
First is work life, then career growth, and then money.
And the reason why is it so? Can you explain?
If my work life will be okay and good, and then my career will obviously grow, and then I'll earn money, good, sufficient money.
Okay, so work-life balance is important. Is of major
Yes,
importance to you.
ma'am.
Don't you
Yeah.
think that you are
Yes.
working in school, then you're running your coaching institute as well, then applying it by just go your work life will be disturbed due to this because why by just will be hectic for you.
Yes, ma'am. But I can manage.
Okay, you'll manage, but it's really
Yes.
because you're working at three modes at in one day, 24 hours, working in three modes. You think you'll be able to manage?
Yes, ma'am. Sure. I can manage. I have that
Okay,
potential. I can manage easily.
easily.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine, great. Anyways, yeah, let's come back for the feedback round. What